Hi, Quinn here from Amit Cabra Marketing, and today I'm going to teach you about negative keywords. What are they? How do they work? How do we use them? All that and more is coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pay-per-click tips and tricks, and like this video if you think I did a good job. I really need it. When you tell Google or Bing that you don't want to advertise on a keyword that would normally be associated with your product or service, that's what we call using a negative keyword. These exclusions can take away irrelevant views of your ads and save you money. An example of this is something like tires. Let's say you sell bicycle tires. You want to appear on searches for bicycle parts, bicycle repair, and everything bicycle maintenance related. Let's also say that you only make tires for road bikes. You could use the negative keyword mountain to not appear on searches for mountain bikes or mountain bike parts. These people aren't looking for what you're selling, so why advertise to them? All you're doing is raising awareness at the expense of your CTR, which negatively impacts your ROI and campaign performance. We're going to focus on Google and Bing, but most of your advertising partners will have this feature as a part of their campaign setup. Google allows you to use negative keywords across all of its ad networks, including search and display. Well, this is pretty straightforward on search. People search for words, and you can easily see how excluding these words would work. Display is a bit more complicated. Websites that offer ad space on the display network fall into various categories. These categories are associated with keywords, and therefore you're able to exclude these categories with negative keywords. On the Google Search Network, negative keyword lists are highly effective. Search terms are concrete and well-defined. If I search for red tractors, you have a pretty good idea of what I'm looking for and what ads to show me. Display is unfortunately less well-defined. A website for tractors may also sell combines and sell ad space on both of those pages. This inherent mashup of content is part of the reason why display campaigns require advanced management to be truly effective. Google allows for about 5,000 negative keywords per campaign. Though you might not need that many, knowing that there's an upper limit means you need to be selective. Websites may also be miscategorized. So even with careful keyword management, there will always be some spillage over to unrelated sites and placements. Bing's negative keyword list works basically the same as Google's, with the additional ability of sharing your negative keyword list across all managed campaigns. Otherwise, there's not much difference when using negative keywords. One last piece of wisdom to take away. Don't believe the hype when someone tries to sell you a generic negative keyword list. Though there should be some pretty obvious ones, like excluding jobs from your campaign selling products and services and not recruiting, most of your negative keywords should come from a combination of careful campaign setup and monitoring. As you identify poorly performing keywords, you can systematically eliminate them from your ad placements. So now you know a little bit more about how negative keywords work. Watch some of our other videos to learn about things like Gclid and ad extensions.
The PPC world can be confusing and scary. If you want to learn more, please subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on the video below.